Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Teacher Azira. If you like this video, please give me a good thumbs up. If you like to ask questions, don't forget to leave your comments below. And if you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. For today, as you remember, last week I did ask you to complete exercise F and also exercise G. So today I'm going to discuss on exercise F and also G. Okay, let's go for number 1. Quiet William, why, okay, there's blank, so noisy this morning? So the answer is, are you being? Why are you being so noisy this morning? Why? The answer is B, because of, if you see a continuous tense, okay, present continuous, for annoying, alright? If you still remember the previous slide, okay, annoying. So that's why the answer is B. Who's that? I don't remember her name. Okay, so this one is in present simple, okay, simple present tense. Okay, why? Because I don't remember her name. It is a statement or a permanent situation. Move to number 3. Irene is living with her cousin for a few weeks. So if you refer to the notes, it is because of current situation or action happening now. Okay, alright. Number 4, Granddad isn't feeling well. He is seeing the doctor later today. Refer to the notes last time. Okay, Granddad isn't feeling well. He is seeing. So we are using present continuous because it is future plans. Okay, let's take a look at number 5. Tony looks like his grandfather. So this would be permanent situation. So you are using present simple. Okay, number 6. Mom and Dad always take us with them on holiday. So number 6, as you can see here, using the present simple. Why? Because it is a habit. Alright. Number 7, Bob and Sue go to their aunt Massie's house every weekend. Okay, they are using present simple because it is a habit. Okay, number 8, why do you think children are jealous of each other? Okay, that's all for today. Bye.